So recently I was experimenting with Google AI Studio, which is what you would call an integrated development environment or an IDE for creating AI models, basically chatbots that can help you with different conversations and to answer different questions and to help you with different things. And within Google AI Studio, there is a prompt gallery, one of which is a cook helper. And the idea behind this cook helper is if you upload an image of different ingredients that you have, the AI can essentially tell you different recipes that you can create with those ingredients. So in my case, I told it, instead of uploading a picture, that I have walnuts, plain yogurt, and honey, and it gave me it actually gave me two recipe recommendations, but one of them I'm going to discuss today, which is the walnut and yogurt bread. So it did assume that I also have things like flour, baking soda, and eggs. But what I wanted to do today is find out if this walnut and yogurt bread, which is actually pretty simple to bake, is any good. So basically, does Google AI Studio, or artificial intelligence, to keep it very simple, provide good cooking recipes? We start with 1 cup of flour, and I'm using good quality Italian product of Italy flour here. And according to my Italian friend, it needs to be sifted. Don't just add it to the bowl where we're making the mixture. But since I don't have a sifter, I'm going to use one of these things right here. And there's my 1 cup of flour. And then we add about 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and a pinch of salt. Next we add about 1/2 cup of plain yogurt and a tablespoon of honey. That beep means the oven has been preheated successfully to 350 degrees. And then we add an egg. Then we stir this all up. And finally, we add the 1/4 cup of walnuts. So I'm going to grease this pan a bit using olive oil spray. And add in our batter here. And then we want to add in our walnuts. And there you have it. Now I'm going to stick this in the oven for about 1/2 hour at 350 degrees. And here is my yogurt and walnut bread. Doesn't look too bad. Shout out to Google AI Studio, or the AI, the artificial intelligence. Walnut and yogurt bread right there. Let's try a little piece. Wow. That's actually pretty good. The only thing that I think is lacking is honey. I think 1 tablespoon of honey was probably not enough, but there's always a next time.